Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Celsius espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because he was having troubles with whenever the machine had a filter on. Without the filter the machine was working fine, but with the filter on it was having issues. And that's because this water pump was not able to push water through the system with the filter on. When we replaced the water pump and and put the filter back on in the water tank, the machine was just working correctly. So yeah, we're gonna be testing it out, starting with just hot water. We're gonna put a little bit of water into our tank, and as you can see, the filter is right there. Perfect. Now the machine is gonna heat up, and after that we're gonna see the flow coming out through here. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out through the spouts. Previously with this water pump, it was just splattering all over the place and it was not delivering a steady stream that you see right there. Gonna stop the flow now, and then we're gonna be doing a cappuccino. Now we're using milk cleaner. We're not using the milk, but it's still going to froth exactly as milk does. Another problem the machine had was that the steamer was not frothing the milk the way it was supposed to. And it was caused because the three-way sonobar assembly that is on top of the machine was completely clogged with scale buildup. This is the whole assembly line. We had to physically go in there and disassemble the entire thing and unclog each and every one of these valves. That way the machine will create a nice beautiful froth, because previously it was just delivering the water. It was not even frothing anything and nothing at all. The valve that you see right here that creates air into the system was completely clogged, and we had to unclog that one. After we unclogged that one and do it the whole descaling of the whole machine, the machine was able to froth the milk properly with no issues and just working. Excellent flow coming out through these spouts. As you can see, really good color too. Working excellent. And now we're gonna be just testing the frother. As you can see, the froth comes out really nice. Excellent stream. Doesn't splatter all over the place, and is frothing the cleaner the way it's supposed to. Working excellent. So there you have it. Saeco Celsius working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.